Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Erica, and today's video is going to be another Cali Uchis inspired makeup video. I'm so excited about this look. I've actually had this idea for a really long time, so I'm glad to finally see it come together in the end. But basically this video is inspired by Cali Uchis' new album that's coming out. When I'm filming this right now, it's supposed to be out in like 2 more days, I believe. So yeah, we're still waiting, but I'm so excited. The new album is called Orquídeas, and I'm gonna be streaming it like crazy because Cali's last album that she dropped was totally fire. It was Red Moon and Venus. And if you saw my last video, then you would know that I went to her concert. It was so freaking fun. It was fire. She performed really well. I'm really glad that I got to go to that concert. So anyways, this video is inspired by that new album. I basically just had this idea that I wanted to recreate her photos in my own way. So I will put up some of her photos on the screen. And so basically I just wanted to recreate it in my own way. And so it's kind of like a two-parter video in a way, because I'm going to be including some footage of what it looked like when I was achieving my end photos. Basically, it took a lot of planning and stuff, but I tried to keep it on a budget. But I basically bought a piece of glass from Lowe's. I leaned it up against, I have a photo I took of it. It looks really messy, but I promise it got the job done. I took the piece of glass, put it on like 2 pieces of furniture that were the same height to like keep it safe. Then I also had something underneath in case there was any spills, and I basically just put my camera underneath the glass and started putting things on top of the glass, which you will see later in the video. So in case you're wondering, that's how I achieved my photos. I'm really happy with how they came out. For this video, I'm not super sure if I'll be able to include all of them, but I know that I will be able to include like one main photo that I got. So if you do want to see the rest of my photos, you should definitely head over to my Instagram, where I'm going to be posting all of the photos and extra videos and stuff. Also, go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Since I've already done one Cali Uchis makeup, I'm sure this won't be the last. I really enjoy making these videos. So yeah, thank you guys so much for taking some time out of your day to click on my video. And yeah, thanks. I hope you guys enjoy.